Hi, my name is Craig Cecilio. I'm founder and CEO of Diversity Fund, a fintech platform that serves the everyday investor. This is my YouTube series where I discuss trending topics in the fintech and wealth creation space. If you like these topics, please hit the subscribe button. Today, we're going to talk about why is data science important for startups? This is a great question. And not everyone who has a startup can afford a data scientist coming out of the gates. So that's a big thing. If you can afford one in the early stages, that would be fantastic for your business. Is creating a feedback loop where you're understanding how your customer interacts with your platform is very essential to success. The sooner you figure that out, the sooner you could design your product and also make sure that your marketing channels are aligned together to really optimize at the end of the day is your acquisition, your customers, your engagement, your customer feedback loop is critical to this because the first thing you do is really want to get an engaged customer that likes your product. And then after that is try to find a way to get revenue from your customer and have a long lasting company with this. So the sooner you get that feedback loop in place, that helps you accelerate the process of getting or trying to get product market fit. You could have all this fantastic stuff put together at the end of the day, and you don't have the right product market fit, it's still not going to work. But these tools will help you try to achieve that. And we all know the word data and what it stands for at the end of the day. And if you come out of the gates, and maybe you are more a technical founder or non-technical founder or whatever you are, if you are kind of more of a technical founder, it would be great if you had a little bit of a background in data. Hopefully you do in today's day and age. And if you don't have that and you're a non-technical founder, is maybe go out and find a co-founder or build a team that has the expertise to help you out to gather that data so you can analyze that data to make things more efficient. At the end of the day, you spend all this money, you go out and raise these large checks, 20 million, 50 million, 100 million, and you keep spending and spending and spending. But if you don't have that feedback mechanism set up, you don't have that data set up across your organization, and you don't have someone who could readily available understand what to do with that, such as a data scientist, you're going to burn through that cash pretty quickly. And at the end of the day, like anything else, we are trying to achieve revenue, product market fit first, and achieving revenue at the same time, and find the channels that are most cost effective for our business, really understanding the nuances about our customer. And the data will give you that information. Staying very high level, we could go really deep in the details about how to apply that data to your specific business. All businesses are different. There's different forms of data out there. For me, I love data. I love getting the information so I can make decisions. My teams are very data driven across our organization. And what I could say to you is if you have an opportunity to do this, definitely take advantage of that opportunity to bring a data scientist aboard your team. And in the earlier stages, if you can, implement some form or manner of a data or a feedback loop for your product. The sooner you do that, the better you will be. Really kind of think about that. If you want to do a startup and get involved in a startup, think about, hey, how do I add data to the equation early on in the process? You'll save a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of headache, and you will put yourself in a better position to win at the end. Well, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.